Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, new layouts are coming. Microsoft has confirmed that the start menu that we have here, especially when you go into the All App section, which is honestly not very great, is getting a big change soon. It will come both on Windows 11 23H2 and Windows 11 24H2. And to give you just a little idea of what it looks like, you've got here. This is one of the aspects of what it would look like with the new layout for the all apps and categories, and you can actually put all of that together. And also, there's here another example of what it looks like. Apparently, you'll have 3 different layouts to choose from. And, of course, you'll have the famous panel on the right side if you have your phone linked with the Phone Link app within Windows 11. I personally like that if you have a better way of doing things. Now, still, you know, it still has these weird little things like here. There's still a little bit of wasted space, but I guess it's better now this way than whatever we've had in the start menu on Windows 11, which the first version of the start menu we can't say is that great, and even the layouts that are available when you go into the different layouts for the start menu aren't really that great either. So, if you look at the different start settings and the different default layouts, this is actually not great. Personally, it's more like horrible than anything else. And it's really, really not fantastic. So I think it is an improvement. I'd rather have that than have what we have now. And I guess it's not the only time it's going to happen. There's going to be more about it coming up. So if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.